Today we have a very high QA inspection pass rate when technicians ensure a clear line of sight in 5 degrees in all directions of a dish mount. However, as the weather warms and leaves begin to grow back, we see a sharp increase in signal-related issues. We've got a new process to help account for this and ensure that customers have clear line of sight for years to come. It's called 555. Use the 555 process whenever possible. It's strongly recommended and will help you find the best possible location for line of sight. How it works is that within 50 feet of the dish, you will now account for 5 feet of clearance instead of just 5 degrees. This is because within 50 feet, 5 degrees of clearance may not be sufficient to avoid growing trees or other foliage. As you can see in the graphic here, a tree that's only a few feet away would quickly grow into the dish's line of sight. In just 1 year, the 5 degrees of clearance has failed to provide our customer with trouble-free service. If there had been 5 feet of clearance, like in this graphic, the tree could grow for years and years without getting in the way of the dish's line of sight to the satellite. So within 50 feet, you'll want to account for 5 feet of clearance. After 50 feet, use the normal line of sight rule. Allow for 5 degrees of clearance in all directions.
How am I supposed to figure out how far 50 feet is?
To visualize 50 feet, imagine 3 dish fans parked in front of each other. It is within this distance that you're going to try and account for 5 feet of clearance. The width of a dish fan is just over 5 feet, so that gives you an easy model for visualization. So if you couldn't park 3 dish fans in front of each other without running into an obstruction, that would not be the best possible location for line of sight. Keep in mind that it doesn't have to be an exact measurement. This is just a general guideline to help improve our customer service, avoid truck rolls for signal-related issues, and improve our QA inspections. To review, within 50 feet of the dish, it is strongly recommended that you provide 5 feet of clearance. After 50 feet, you want to account for the normal 5 degrees of clearance in all directions. It's all part of providing best-in-class service. That's all for now. Thanks for joining us.